Okay, fine. So we will do last thing repeat because so many students have doubt and the last some students are getting the incorrect answer. So we will again I will revise that topic. So we have seen nominal nominal interest rate. Okay, so what is nominal interest rate? R equals to I into M. Okay, so for nominal interest rate, if it is given, they will say compounded quarterly or semi-annually. Okay, various things, daily, weekly, or anything. If they have given I, they will use word interest rate. Okay, for nominal interest rate, they will use the word nominal interest rate, or they will write like this: it is compounded quarterly. Okay, it means that they have given the value of R directly. Okay, so we have seen simple interest. Simple interest, what is simple interest? PIN, okay, upon 100. So what is that? Basically P plus, every year you will get PI plus PI. Okay, so generalized formula P plus 1 NI. Similarly for compound interest, okay, so this is the future value here. Okay, so for compound interest, future value is P1 plus I to the power N. Okay, so we can write this P1 plus R by M to the power. Okay, for every year we are calculating, so it will be like 1. Okay, so what is our main aim? To calculate the interest rate on the annual basis, because we are doing all the calculations. See, we are doing depreciation for every year. We are doing the bank gives the interest every year. So that is why we want that I should be given for yearly basis. Okay, if it is given quarterly, semi-annually, daily, weekly, we have to convert them. Okay, so what we want, F equals to P1 plus I effective. Okay, so this is also 1. For 1, we know that simple interest equals to compound interest. So we can directly equate this value. P1 plus R by M equals to P1 plus I effective. Okay, so P will cancel it out. And from here, we will get I effective. Okay, I effective, you can get 1 plus R by M to the power M minus 1. So what is R here? R is nominal interest rate. Okay, R is nominal interest rate. Nominal interest rate. Okay, so if I use this I effective value here, what will be this? F equals to P1 plus. In this formula, if we put I effective, it will be 1 plus I plus R by M to the power M minus 1 to the whole power N. Okay, because generalized formula we have N. Okay, so this 1 will cancel it out. We will get F equals to P1 plus R by M to the power M into N. Okay, again R is nominal interest rate. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, so now we will solve one question. Okay, so this up to this we have seen yesterday. So we will solve question to clear your doubts. Suppose P equals to 2000 and I have given I value. Okay, 5% semi-annual. Okay, semi-annual. Okay, so what will be the value of M then? What will be value of M if it is semi-annual? Always remember that we have to compare it with the 1 year. Means in 1 year how many that value will be, that will denote. Okay, so M will be 2. Okay, yes, M will be 2. So now first we will solve for simple interest. Okay, simple interest, what is that? P into rate of interest for 1 year. So here it is 6 monthly, so 5 into 100. So how much you are getting? 100 for first 6 part. Okay, then for 2000 into 5 by 100, you will get 100. So what is the total amount you are getting? 2200. Why 2 times? Because 6 monthly it is given. So that is why 2 times. Or you can directly say F equals to your formula 1 plus I. Okay, so sorry, 1 plus I, R you have. Okay, basically. Okay, so it will be for 2 years. Okay, it will be for 2 years. So it will be 1 plus 5 into 2. What is R? 1 plus 5 by 2 upon 100. So how much you are getting here? 5 into 2 by 100. How much you are getting? Calculate. Okay, so it will be 2200. Okay, now similarly do for compound interest. Okay, similarly you can do for compound interest. So F equals to P 1 plus R by M. Okay, so it will be for how much here we are calculating. Okay, for how much you are calculating here? For 2 years. Okay, so it will be P 1 plus 5 by 2 upon 2 into 100. Okay, so how much you are getting? 2205. Okay, 2205. Similarly, you can do like this. F equals to P 1 plus I to the power n. So it will be 2001 plus 5 by 100 to the power 1. So it will be 2100. Okay. So again, this we have done for only one time, but for semi-annually, it will be for 2 times. Okay. So it will be 2100 1 plus 5 by 100. So how much you are getting? 2205. Okay. Or you can calculate the value of I effective. I effective is 1 plus R by M to the power M minus 1. So it will be 1 plus 5 into 2 by 2 to the power 2 minus 1. Okay, or into 100 here. So how much you are getting? Calculate it. Okay, someone is saying 0.1025. This one you are getting 0.1025. Yes or no? Okay, so now you have I effective. Now future value will be F equals to 2001 plus 0.1025 to the power 1. What will be answer? 2205. Okay. What is R here? What is the formula for R? I into M. See, we have written. What is the formula for R? I into M. So when you do R into M here, R equals to I into M. I is given 2. So sorry, 5 into 2 upon M. So M will cancel it out. Okay. So see this. In this, the compound interest is very much important. Okay. So this is the, in short, everything is in your screen. Okay. Now everyone understood? So from gate point of view, what you have to remember? I effective, how you calculate. Okay. I effective is 1 plus R by M to the power M minus 1. So how you will know that it is given R or I? How you will know? I have told. If they have given R, they will use word compounded quarterly. Any word. Semi-annually. Weekly, this word. Okay, or they will use word nominal interest rate. Okay, nominal interest rate. If they have given I in the system, they will give you I is 5%, interest rate is 5% annually. They will use this word. Okay, and if they have given R, they will use these words. Okay, so at 1 year, all the values are same. Okay, at annually, R equals to I equals to I effective. Okay, all the values are same at annual basis. Okay, this is clear to all. Weekly. Okay, this is weekly. Semi-annually, weekly, per day, anything. Okay, anything they can give. Okay, take this. This is all about compound interest. So we have calculated by this method, by this method, by this method. All we are getting same answer. What is R here? R is I into M. Okay, can we move? Okay, fine. Solve one question. A bond has a bond has a maturity. A bond has a maturity value of rupees 10,000 after 5 years. If money is growing, if money is growing at a rate of 12% annum, what is the what is the present what is the present value of bond? Okay, calculate this. Okay, someone wants to take the snapshot of this, take snapshot of this. Okay, take a snapshot. Yes, 21176, correct answer. Okay, Avoy Kumar, correct answer. Yeah, I think everyone is getting the answer. solve it, other students. Okay, see the solution. See what is given. A bond has a maturity value of 10,000. Okay, a bond has a maturity value of 10,000. So basically it means, okay, basically it means that it is present value or future value. This 10,000 is a maturity. Okay, so this is a future value. Okay, this is a F value. Okay, if money is growing at a rate of 12% annum, so what is given? R I or nominal rate, or you can say I effective, as it is given per annum. So all values are same, 12%. Okay, you don't need to worry. Okay, so basically what you will do now, 12% it is given. So now you have a formula, F equals to P1 plus I effective to the power N. Okay, so how many year? 5 year. Okay, so future value they have given 10,000 rupees. Present value you have to calculate 1 plus 12 by 100 to the power 5. So how much P you are getting? How much P are you getting? 5674. Okay, rupees. Everyone got the answer? Others reply only some selected students are giving answer. Okay. Others reply. Okay. Almost there are 70 students, 70 to 80. Okay. Okay, fine. Now we will move towards related to this topic only, but the name is annuity. Okay. The name is annuity. Okay. So write the heading annuity. So what is mean by annuity? Equal number of deposits. It is nothing but equal number of deposit. Okay, so this is annuity. So you have seen that in your home also. You will see that if you ask your father or mother, they will deposit a certain amount of money in the bank, and they will get some interest on that, and at the end of the 1 year or 2 year they will give some lump sum money. Okay, here if I see, there are two words I am using: lump sum. Okay, lump sum means at a time. Okay, lump sum means at a time, and equal number of deposit means small partition. So what is lump sum? Lump sum is the one you are getting. Suppose lump sum amount is deposited in the bank. It means that you have deposited money in the bank at a one shot. Okay, and equal number of deposits means some amount of money you are depositing every year in the bank. Okay, every year, every month. That is the thing. Okay, that is we will going to see. So we, if we see this f in this formula, suppose f, okay, f equals to p1 plus I. In this, f is lump sum or equal number of deposit. What is this f? Yes, you can say systematic investment plan, Badrinath, but that is more related to mutual funds. Okay, so here we will using word equal number of deposit. Okay, here f, tell me this f is lump sum or equal number of deposit in the previous formula. Tell me. Reply fast. Okay, this f is lump sum. Okay, very good. This p is lump sum for equal number of deposit. This p, again this p is very good. This is lump sum. Okay, both are equal. But in annuity, the future amount, okay, we will derive that formula. The future amount will be lump sum, but our deposition will be equal number of deposited. Okay, it will not be lump sum. Okay, so suppose this is 0th year, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 5 year. Okay, we will take up to 3 year only. Okay, here also 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you have two options actually, or you can say this one is known as ordinary annuity. Okay, and this one is known as, okay, this one is known as dine annuity. Okay, there is a difference in between that, but we use mostly ordinary annuity. Okay, so what we have seen in the previous questions or in the depreciation, that whatever the depreciation is there, it is at the end of the year. Okay, similarly here also we will do the calculation at the end of the year. Means 0 to 1 we will deposit first installment here. Okay, we will deposit first installment here, A. We will deposit second installment here. We will deposit third installment here. But when we are getting our money back, we are getting our money back at the third year. Okay, we are getting money back at the third year. We are getting money back. Okay, okay. At the third year we are getting money back. Okay, so if you are getting money back at the third year, so if I will see the future amount, okay, if I want to calculate the future amount, okay, tell me what will be the future amount, how much interest you will get on this amount. Tell me this first, for how many year you will get the interest. This A, suppose this is A1, this is A2, this is A3. A1 1 plus I to the power how much? What I will write to the power? It will be, see, this 1 year, this 2 year gap. So it will be 2 year plus A2. A2 will be 1 plus I. How much year? Only 1 year. Okay. Plus A3. A3 will be 1 plus I to the power 0. You will not get any interest on the A3 value. Okay, we will not get the any interest at the A3 value because we have just deposited the money and we have taken the money. Okay, we have taken the money back. Okay, see here, for A1 you have deposited money. At the third year you want all money back. Okay, so this is the 1 year, you have get interest on that. This is the second year, so that is why for A1 the value will be 1 2. Okay, for A2 it will be only 1. 2 to 3. That is why it is 1. For A3, it will be 0. 1 plus I to the power 0. But in Dyn system, you will deposit money here. Okay. You will deposit money here. A1. Okay. This will be A2. This will be A3. Okay. We will be depositing the same amount of money. Okay. Yes, we will be depositing the same amount of money, but here we are depositing money at the start of the year. Okay, in Dyn annuity we are depositing money at the start of the year, and in ordinary annuity we are depositing money at the end of the year. Okay, so it depends that what question they have asked. Okay, so by default it is ordinary annuity. If it is not specified, then it is ordinary annuity. Okay, you can write that by default we use formula for ordinary annuity. Okay, so if you write this, f equals to a1 1 plus I, what will be the value of n? What will be the value of n? Tell me here. What will be the value of n? Yes, it will be 3. Very good. Okay, it will be 3 plus a2 1 plus I to the power. What will be the value of a for a2? What will be the value? 2. Very good. Plus a3. What will be the value of a3? 1 plus for a3 means power, it will be 1. Okay, it will be 1. Okay, so if you compare this at ordinary annuity, we are depositing. Okay, you can write this line. We are depositing money money at the end of the year. We are depositing money at the end of the year. Or here we are depositing money at the start of the year. Okay, we are depositing money at the start of the year. Okay, so that is why for here A1 you are getting for how many interest? 2 years interest. Okay, for A2 you are getting 1 year interest. For A3 we are not getting any interest, so it is value is 0. But for here A1, how much interest we are getting? 3 year for this 2 year. And here A1 equals to A2 equals to A3 up to, okay, all values are same because we are doing the equal number of deposits. Okay, we are doing the equal number of deposits. Okay, equal number of deposits. Okay, see this. Okay, I'm giving 1 minute. Think on it. Okay, I will explain once again. Okay, don't worry. Just think on it. Okay, whatever written in the board, just think on that. Okay. Okay, so what is A1, A2? I will explain once again. What is A1, A2, A3? Equal number of deposits. Equal number of deposit. Okay. Everything, everyone is clear with the A1, A2, A3? Equal number of deposit. Yes or no? Okay. Yes or no? Everyone is getting this. What is AR? Equal number of deposit. Okay. Everyone is clear with this or not? Okay. Now we will see what is ordinary annuity. In ordinary annuity, okay, I will draw once again. In ordinary annuity, what I've told, we will do, or we will deposit money in the bank at the end of the year. Okay, why we are taking at the end of the year here? Because we generally say that whatever the calculation or whatever the financial things we do, we do at the end of the year. Okay, so it means that at 0th year we have not deposited any money. At the first year, at the end of the first year we have deposited A1. Okay, at the end of the second year we have deposited second. At the end of the third we have deposited third value. Okay, so basically at the third year we want future value. Okay, at the third year we will get a future value. Okay, so how much interest I will get on A1? Tell me. It will be 1 plus I to the power 2. This much interest, 1 to 2 and 2 to 3. Okay, plus A2 will be, for A2 how much interest I will get? Only 1 year interest. So it will be 1 plus I to the power 1. Okay, and for A3 how much interest I will get? A3 I will not get any interest, because at the end of the third year I want that money back. Okay, so 1 plus I to the power 0. So this will give me a future value. Okay, this will give me a future value. Next, another is the dine annuity. Okay, so here same 0, 1, 2, 3, but here we will deposit money. We will deposit money at the start of the year. Okay, at the start of the year. In the both system we are depositing same amount of money. Okay, so here we will deposit A1 here, A2 here, A3 here. So for A1, F equals to A1, how much year I will get interest? This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. So it will be 3. Plus A2 will be 1 plus I to the power 2. Plus A3 will be 1 plus I to the power 1. Okay, so which will be greater, dine or future, dine or ordinary? Which one, for which I will get a more interest? Okay, for which we will get a more interest? Dine. Okay, very good. Okay, we will get more interest for the, okay, we will get more interest for due system. Okay, we will get more interest for the due system. Okay, sorry, it is due system. Okay, okay, so this is the thing. So in gate they have asked only questions from ordinary. Okay, in the gate they have asked only question from ordinary. Okay, in the gate they have asked only question from the ordinary. They have not asked the question. Okay, they have not asked a question from this part. Okay, they have not asked the question from the second part. Okay, so this is the thing. So if we see this, okay, so if we see this, if we want to derive this, what will be that? Okay, if we want to derive this, okay, suppose this is 0, so this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, up to nth year. Okay, up to nth year. Okay, so what will be the previous one? N minus 1. What will be that previous one? N minus 2. What will be that previous? N minus 3. Okay, so what will be the future value here? Future value will be F equals to A. Okay, future value will be A 1 plus I 0. Okay, because we are getting 1 0 here. Okay, plus A 1 plus I to the power 1 plus A 1 plus I to the power 2, up to how many year we will get? Plus A 1 plus I to the power n minus 2. Okay, like n minus 3, up to that value we will get. What you do, multiply the equation. Okay, up to n minus 1 we will get. Okay, up to n minus 1. Okay, plus A 1 plus I to the power n minus 1 we will get. Okay, what you do, multiply the equation by multiply multiply, see this derivation is not important from gate point of view, just I'm telling, multiply the equation by 1 plus I. Okay, so what will we get? F equals to 1 plus I. Here what you will get? A 1 plus I to the power 1 plus A 1 plus I to the power square plus A 1 plus I to the power cube. Okay, and at the last what you will be getting? Plus A 1 plus I to the power n minus 1 plus A 1 plus I to the power n. Okay, so this is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Okay, you have two equations basically. What you do? Subtract 2 minus 1. You do. Once you do 2 minus 1, see, this terms will be cancelled it out. Okay, this terms, all terms will be cancelled out. Only this term and this term will be there. Okay, so by solving this, you will get F. Okay, you will get F 1 plus I minus F equals to A 1 plus I. Okay, 1 plus I plus A 1 plus I to the power n. And final formula you will get future value equals to A 1 plus I to the power n minus 1 upon I. So this is the formula you have to remember from gate point of view. Okay, this is the formula. So here if you see in this formula, what is F? This is future value. This is future value. What is A? Equal number of equal number of equal number of payment. Okay, equal number of payment. Okay, this is equal number of payment. Okay, and what is I is interest rate. I is interest rate. So here this is the future amount. Okay, okay, this word here, it is equal number of payment. If equal number of payment is given, then only you can apply this formula. If it is not given equal number of payments, then you have to go step by step. Okay, you have to calculate for every year like this. Okay, but here the word is important, that F equals to A 1 plus I to the power n minus 1 upon I. This is equal number of payments and I is the interest rate. So if you see this future amount, so if I want to convert this value, this future value, your formula is F equals to A 1 plus I to the power n minus 1 upon I. If you want to convert this value into the present value, what you will do? Okay, if you want to convert this value into the present value, what you will do? The formula will be F equals to A 1 plus I to the power n minus 1, okay, upon I, and divide by 1 plus I to the power n. Okay, divided by 1 plus I to the power n. Okay, so in short, what is this? F present value is F by 1 plus I to the power n. This we have derived. Okay, this is compound interest formula. Okay, this we have derived. And by default, we always remember that by default, we always use compound interest, because whole world has accepted that all the banking system, all the things which runs in the market, they have accepted the compound interest. They say that compound interest shows that money is a function of time. That is why by default always we will using compound interest. Okay, and here also by default we will be using ordinary annuity. Okay, so if I want to convert into the due annuity, what will happen? Just one term, extra term, 1 plus I, one extra term will come. Okay, so don't worry about that. So gate has not asked question from that part. Okay, gate has always asked the question from this section. Okay, that is ordinary annuity. Okay, ordinary annuity they have asked. F to P conversion, Ranjan, we have seen this is the what is the formula for this? F equals to P 1 plus I to the power n. We have derived this for compound interest, Ranjan. So this is future value, this is present value. Okay. So everyone got this? Everyone got this? See, if derivation you want, okay, see this. Okay, so basically, P is present value, and if it is given that semi-annually is given, convert them into the annually. Okay, you have to do all the calculation in the annual basis. Okay, you have to do. Okay, you have to do all the calculation. Okay, you have to do all the calculation in annual basis. Okay, so many students are getting confused that why I have divided this 1 plus I to the power n. In this formula, anyone has problem, first tell me. F equals to P1 plus I to the power n. In this formula, anybody has problem? Tell me first. In this formula, roll number 21183382. Anyone has problem? This is compound interest formula. We have derived yesterday and today also. Okay. So what is here? P. P here is present worth. Okay. P here is present worth. This is future worth. This is future worth. Okay. This is future worth. Okay. Okay. This is future worth. Okay. So this future worth is again lump sum. This future worth is lump sum. Okay. Okay, fine. So what if I want to convert the present worth? So what will be the present worth formula? P equals to F upon 1 plus I to the power n. So what is F here? Future. Everyone is agree with this? everyone is everyone is agree with this? P equals to F upon 1 plus I to the power n. Anybody has doubt? If I want to convert the future worth into the present, we have solved one question also. Recently, we have solved one question. This is the question. Okay. This is the question we have solved. Future worth is given. We have calculated the present worth. Same thing I am written here. Anybody has problem with this? Okay. Now we have derived the formula of annuity. What is that? F equals to A 1 plus I to the power n minus 1 upon I. Okay. This is the formula we have derived. Okay. This is the formula we have derived. Anyone has problem with this? Okay. Anyone has problem with this? Anyone has problem with this? Annuity formula? Annuity formula, anyone has problem? Tell me. Okay. Clear? So this is future. If I want to convert this future into the present, what is that? Divide the equation by 1 plus I to the power n. So that is the thing I am writing here. Present worth equals to A 1 plus I to the power n minus 1. Okay. Upon I 1 plus I to the power n. That's it. Okay, okay. Here I have written F. It is not F, it is P. Okay. Here it is P. Okay. Here it is P. Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. That's why so many are confused. Okay, sorry for that. Okay. Now everyone is cleared. Saket, what you are writing in the formula present value when we put n equals to 10 years, say for which the sum is paid everywhere. Then what year does the present value mean? Present value means zero time. Okay. Present value means zero time. Today. What is present? Present means today. Okay. So now everyone is cleared with this formula, and with this three formula. These are three important formulas from gate point of view. Everyone is cleared? Yes or no? Write in the chat section. Please write in the chat section. Everyone is cleared or not? Okay. Okay. Almost everyone is writing yes. Okay. Yes. What is P? I will write all notations once. P is present worth. Okay. A is equal number of payment. Okay. And F is future value. And F is future value. Okay. So by default, we will be using ordinary annuity. Okay. By default, we will be using ordinary annuity. Okay. Both present means today's value. Okay. Present worth means today's value. That's it. Okay. Yesterday class, what is the formula for compound interest? Future P 1 plus I to the power n. Here also what I have told, this is future, this P is present. Same thing. Here also we are saying the same thing. Okay. So always remember that if you want to convert future value into the present value, what you have to do, you have to just divide by 1 plus I to the power n. Okay, you have to just divide this 1 plus I to the power n. Okay. Now everyone is comfortable? Yes or no? 211382. Okay, no, they have not asked. Now everyone is comfortable? Write fast. Yes or no? Chandana, the value is future. Okay. You don't, most of the students are getting confused that for compound interest, we have deposited the value at once. But this value is future, na? Future, you are getting lump sum amount from this annuity formula. Future amount, you are getting lump sum amount from annuity formula. So that is why both F are same. Okay. F of compound interest, this is the future amount, lump sum amount we are getting in the future. And this F amount from the annuity formula, this is the future amount, lump sum amount I am getting in the future. Okay, both F are same. That is why I have divided the equation by 1 plus I to the power n. Okay. Yes or no, please give response. Other students, please give response. Okay, if you are getting or not getting. Almost 71 students. Okay, and again same thing, only some students are giving reply. Okay, please write in the chat section yes or no, you got this point or not. We have seen annuity, we have seen present worth, and we have seen equal number of payments, and we have seen future value. From this part, gate has asked so many times question. Okay, we will do question, don't worry. But everyone is getting or not? Okay, it is crystal clear. Okay, fine. Okay, so see once again. Okay, so see, derivation is not important. They will not ask a derivation, but you can do just F, and this is the F. Okay, and just subtract it. You will get the answer. This is the formula. Okay. And this we have seen. I'm explaining everything two times. Okay. But important is you should get the point clear. That is important. Okay. Okay. Once two question, then it will be almost your all doubts will be cleared. We will be solving three question and three will be different. I am not repeating same types of question. Okay. As you have seen, what is present worth? Okay. What is present worth for five equal number of deposits 10,000 every year for a period of 5 years, and the deposit will start at the end of the year. Okay. I is 12% per year. Solve this. Take a time and solve. Solve. Some students are getting the answer 36047. Okay, we will see whether it is correct or wrong. 36047.7. Okay, we will see. Okay, let everybody solve that question. Okay, most of the students are getting answer. Wait a minute so that every student should get the answer. Okay. See, concept is important. Getting answer is not important. Okay, I always tell that if you get a feel, then it's okay. Okay, you should visualize the things. Okay, in this subject, there is no visualization. Okay, but still you should know the concept. Okay, almost every student got the means, or not almost everyone who have given the answer that got correct. Okay, other students please solve. Okay. Okay, so we will solve the question. See, what is given? A present worth you have to calculate, means P you have to calculate. Okay, 5 equal number of deposit means every year the deposition is 10,000. Okay, for a period of 5 years, the deposit will be at the end of the year. Will start at the end of the year. Okay, so it is ordinary. Okay, so I equals to 12% per year. Okay, fine. So first we will calculate the future value. So what is the formula for future value? F equals to, what is the annuity? A is given 10,000, 1 plus I to the power n minus 1 upon I. Okay, so what will be this? 10,000, 1 plus, what is I? 0.12 to the power 5 minus 1 upon 0.12. Okay, so how much you are getting? How much you are getting this value? 63528. Okay, you are getting 63528. So this is future value. What we want? Present. So what is present? P equals to F by 1 plus I to the power n. You can directly do here also. Okay, but this is the first time, that's why I'm solving it. So it will be 63528 divided by 1 plus 0.12 to the power 5. So how much you are getting the answer? I think 36047. Okay, 36047. So this is the answer. Now see this. Everyone is comfortable? Yes or no? Please write. Now everyone is comfortable? At least write yes. You are, it seems that you are become who is Samitva. We have derived the formula. According to that, that all the values, future value will take care of n. Okay, so you don't write n equals to 4. Okay, we have derived the formula. Okay, we have derived the formula. Okay, so clear or not? I think now you are having a very hectic schedule, so that's why at evening almost all students are showing laziness. Okay, okay. Okay, from 6:45 you have. Okay, in mobile. Okay, fine. In mobile, it's very difficult to chat every time. Submissions started. Okay. And I think all the college time is now online. Okay, so that's why it's become hectic also. Yeah. Psychet slept. Okay, so this is going to happen with, I think, most of the students. Huh? We don't know that how what actual the faculty is doing. Okay, so I have seen with my cousins, brothers, and sisters that when college lectures are going, they just keep their mobile aside and they do their other works. Okay, they do other stuffs. Okay, so don't do like this. Okay, at least for coaching. Okay, okay. So attend all the, yeah. At that time. Okay, so don't do like this, at least for my subject. Okay, other subject you decide. Okay. Okay, here present value means for that future money required one time deposit. Not exactly. Okay, because here we got the equal number of deposits. Okay, for equal number of deposits, what is the value? Okay. Okay. So I think your question is, if I deposit 36047, sorry, 0.47 rupees. Okay, it is point na, or I have written wrong. What is the answer? 36,000. Okay, no point. Sorry. Okay. It is Okay, I have to wide the screen. 3, wait. Yeah, 36047. What does it actually means? That if you solve this, if today I have deposited 36047 rupees, 1 plus I to the power 5, how much money I will get? 63,528. So now this 3647 is lump sum. Okay, this is lump sum. Okay, so do like this. So now everyone is clear, yes or no? Okay, so at least those are sitting on the laptop can at least reply. Okay. Okay. Okay, fine. Those who are mobile, they are saying that they are going very hectic schedule. Yes, I also know that it is very hectic, and it's not actually the hectic only for you. Okay, it's become hectic for us also, because in offline we enjoy the giving lectures and we have interactions with the students and all that. Okay, here there is no interaction, just shouting. Okay, here present value means basically, okay, here present value means basically that is the present value at time t equals to 0. Okay, time t equals to 0. That is the meaning of present value. Okay, write one question. Okay, lump sum means at a time. Okay, lump sum means at a time, at one shot. Okay, lump sum means at a time, one shot. I have repeated so many times. Roll number 220034. Okay, some students are saying that you are repeating so much time, but what can I do? Again and again, same question. I don't know, maybe due to the network issue or anything. That's why I'm repeating so many times. I'm writing always everything double. Okay, so that you will be comfortable. Okay, right question. A cash flow 12,000 per year is received at the end of each year for a period of 15 consecutive year, and the amount of 15,000, that is 15k per year, is received for the next consecutive 15 year. Okay, rate of interest 9% per annum. Okay, calculate P, present value. Solve this. Those who will solve this question correctly, it means they have got the point accurately. Okay, so this is not a direct question. One hint I am giving. Okay, there is a one trick. So solve it. I think after Diwali, your semester exam will also start most of the colleges. So you have to prepare for that also. Yes. Doing online lectures gives strain on the eyes. Yes, it is 15k. 15,000. Okay, 15k. So take care of your eyes also. Means just a feedback. If I say means what you enjoy, it's onlines are good or everyone wants offline. Just a feedback. Offline, online are good. Offline. Some are saying it is good. Offline. Okay, more students are preferred over offline. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, that is the make thing that online class makes us lazy. That is, I will also accept this. Okay, and it is, yes, it is very unexciting. Huh, you save time. That is the thing, but that interest and all that means offline on Sunday. Okay, okay, on Sunday we take class approximately 10 hours, but we don't feel so much hectic at that time. But here, after taking 1 or 2 hour class, we feel it very hectic. Okay, solve that question. Okay, I don't know technical reason. It is due to computer rays, maybe. But watching TV series, I think everyone watches, huh? Yeah, that you can say positive vibes from faculty. Online is best, some are saying. Okay, so students are getting, those who are writing the answer, they have get a wrong answer. Okay. Yeah. Main thing is interaction is very important. Okay, means that feel of competition. Okay, healthy competition. Okay, means the students who are sitting in the class, yet only one student, that is roll number 222005, got the right answer. Okay, 222005, yes, you got a correct answer. So the thing is that you get interacted with the other colleges students, what is their life, how they are teaching in their college. That is very important actually. Okay. Except 222005, everyone got the wrong answer. Okay. So you just write the answer. I will tell you which one is correct. But please attempt all. Okay. You don't know that when offline classes will be starting. Double two double zero eight eight. I'm not getting your. Our class is not started properly in online. Yeah, obviously. For Gate 2021, now there will be no offline class. What are you saying? Roll number 222008. When vaccine will come? I don't know. This is not the class to ask when vaccine will come. Okay, solve the question. I am just saying something so that you have a feeling that faculty is there. Okay. Wrong. Everyone getting wrong answer. Okay, okay. Your college online classes. Yeah, yeah. This is means most of the students I'm listening while taking the classes that faculties are not taking proper classes. Means your college faculties that I have seen. Means now most of the faculties are exposed actually. College faculties, because in college when they are, they can teach anything, but now it's online. Okay, means it's not about college, it's for schooling also. Okay. Yes, yes, most are reading just ppts now. Oh, everyone is getting wrong answer except that one student. It means that you are not getting reading the question properly. Uh, 211382, sir. We final year students never learned CRE, MTO, PDC, economics, TP. I'm not getting means these subjects are not done in your college. What do you want to say? 211382. Okay, in your university they have not done. Okay, so we will solve the question. I think only one student got the right answer. Maybe if someone has given, it's okay, but that may be only one or two students. Okay, see the solution. Wait for 2 minutes. Okay, not for 2 minutes, last 1 minute. Okay, solve it. See, I will be, you know, that I always give selected question, but I give enough time so that you will be comfortable and I will solve that question. I don't want same question repeated for so many times. Okay. In GATE, they have asked same question for so many times. So you are done with the CRE now. Now you will be knowing the actual chemical engineering. That is the reactors. Okay. If there is a time, I will take half an hour lecture on CRE. Okay. I will try to give you feel about reactors. I don't know how many students have attended my that reactors lecture previously. So those who have attended, they have sure. Sridhar Barot, you just mail me. Okay, I will give you detail regarding that. Okay, just send me your email. Okay. So okay, everyone, can I solve the question, or anyone wants to attempt, or anyone is confident that he will get the right answer? I think only one student got the correct answer. What is correct answer, that I'm not going to tell you. Okay. But if you got the answer something, write that. What most of the students do, they do back calculation. Okay. Okay. I think I from whatever I have seen, only one student or maybe two or three if I've skipped. We will see. Okay, see here. A cash flow of 12,000 per year is received at the end of the each year for a period of 15 consecutive year. Okay, 15 साल के लिए पैसा मिला कितना, 12,000 रुपए मिला. Okay, so F equals to, okay, F equals to कितना डाला है, 12,000 per year. So 12,000 formula is 1 plus I to the power I, you know what will be the value of n, 15. Okay, minus 1 upon how much you will get, 0 point I value I will directly write here. Okay, because I is not important, you know directly it is 9%. Okay, plus how much that, for next 15 years, the amount of 15 years for the next consecutive 15 year. Okay, बस उसके 15 साल के लिए कितना मिला, 15,000 मिला है. So 15,000, 15,000 is reported for next 15 years. 15 minus 1 upon I. Okay, now what I want, present value. Okay, what I want, present value. Okay, so this is the formula of F. So if I want a present value, I will write here P. Okay, so that mistake I have done last time. P. Okay. So here 1 plus I to the power n. So what will be the value of n here? What will be the value of n here? What will be the value of n here? Tell me fast. What will be the value of n here? It will be, it will be 15. Okay, 1 plus I to the power n. What will be the value of n here? What will be the value of n here? 30. So many students are writing correct. Then why are you getting the wrong answer? Or I have done some wrong calculation. Yeah, this is okay. So how much your answer is getting? I have 1,30,000 answer. Is this the answer is coming? This is the answer coming from this. Don't worry, I will explain why here it is 15, why here is 13, but answer is coming. I will explain, don't worry. Okay. Answer is coming correct. See here, 1,30,000. Yes or no? Tell me fast that part. Then I will again explain the solution. Okay, 1,30,000 is coming. Okay, see here. पहले 15 साल के लिए कितना पैसा मिला है? I will explain both. Okay, Hindi and English. Okay, because it is very important concept. So first Hindi. पहले 15 साल के लिए कितना मिला है? 12,000 रुपए हर साल मिला मुझे. ठीक है, तो 12,000 रुपए मैंने पहले 15 साल के लिए डाला. अब 15 साल के लिए मैंने 12,000 रुपए डाल दिए, तो उसको मैं कितने साल पीछे जाऊंगा? कितने साल पीछे लेके जाना है मुझे? Okay, I will explain in English also, don't worry. Okay, okay, I will explain, don't worry. Okay, कितने साल के लिए पीछे जाना है मुझे? Okay, कितने साल के लिए पीछे जाना पड़ेगा मुझे? अगर यहाँ पे 12,000 रुपए तुमने हर साल डाला है, तो कितने साल के लिए पीछे जाना पड़ेगा मुझे? 15 years. 15 years everyone. 15 साल के लिए पीछे जाना है मुझे. Yes or no? 15 साल के लिए पीछे जाना है मुझे. ठीक है, तो हो गया 15 साल. दूसरा वाला जो मेरा इन्वेस्टमेंट है वो कब चालू हुआ? 15 साल के बाद चालू हुआ. दूसरा वाला इन्वेस्टमेंट मेरा कब चालू हुआ? देखो यहाँ पे लिखा है द अमाउंट ऑफ 15K पर ईयर इज रिसीव्ड फॉर द नेक्स्ट कंसेक्यूटिव 15 ईयर. नेक्स्ट का क्या मतलब है? 15 साल के बाद चालू हुआ दूसरा इन्वेस्टमेंट. ठीक है, तो उसको कितने दिन के लिए इंटरेस्ट मिलेगा? 15 साल का इंटरेस्ट मिलेगा. लेकिन ये पीछे कितने साल आना पड़ेगा मुझे? हाउ मेनी ईयर्स आई वांट टू गो बैक? कितने साल के लिए पीछे आना पड़ेगा? 15 साल तो तुम पहले ही आगे हो. ठीक है, तो ये 15 साल और ये 15 साल, तो टोटल कितने हो गए? 30 ईयर्स. ओके, आया समझ में? सी फॉर इंग्लिश. सो I will be depositing 12,000 rupees. Okay, I will be depositing 12,000 rupees per year for the 15 years. Okay, I will be depositing 12,000 rupees for 15 years. So how much year? This denominator shows that how much year I want to, okay, how much year I want to go back. Okay, how much year I want to go back. Okay, so basically क्या हुआ इस basically here I will be going back 15 years back. Okay, अब 15,000 rupees you are depositing for the next 15 years, means at this time period suppose today is 2020, so you have done this deposition up to what? Up to which year? 2035. Okay, at 2035 you have started this deposition up to which year? Up to which year? 2000 which year? 50. Okay, up to 2050. So this amount you want to go back, this amount you want to go back 30 years back. Okay, you want from 2050 to you want to go back to 2020. This amount you want to go back 15 years back. So this will be 15 years and this will be 30 years. Okay, this will be 50 years, this will be 30 years. Everyone got it? Okay, now you can write that out. Sir, पहले वाला 12,000 तो 15 के लिए डिपॉजिट हुआ, लेकिन उसके बाद 15 साल भी तो वो डिपॉजिट था, तो उसका कैलकुलेशन का क्या हुआ? उसका कैलकुलेशन, if you want to do like this, after 15 years you can move forward, but you are not depositing that 12,000 rupees again. Okay, you are not depositing that 12,000 rupees. It is now, okay, because it is given in the question as cash flow, it is received at the end of each year for a period of 15 year only. So this is 15 year only. Okay, okay, so this is 15 year only. Okay, it is clearly mentioned in the question. Okay, so here you can, what you have learned, okay, it is same. Okay, what is your name? Saket. They have same meaning. Okay, so what is the numerator in n value gives idea that how much interest I will get, and what is the n meaning in the denominator, how much year I will go back, how much year we will go back. Okay, no, your that deposition is stopped na, that 15 year. Or what you can solve that, okay, I will give you second method. Okay, you will get a same answer. Okay, this you can do as a homework. Okay, solve this like this. P is equal to, suppose you calculate it, F for first. Okay, how much you are getting? 12,000. Okay, 12,000 upon 0.09, 1 plus 0.09 to the power 15 minus 1. So this F will be lump sum amount. Okay, so you will get this amount. Then again forward that amount, again that forward that amount up to the 30 years. Then come back. Then come back. You will get a same answer. Okay, you will get some answer here. Okay, suppose you are getting X here. Okay, now this is F1, you write it. Now F2 equals to X 1 plus I to the power 15. Solve it. Okay, then you will get something amount, some amount. Then come back again. How much year then you have to come back? How much year you have to come back if you are solving like this? 1 plus I to the power 30 it will be coming. Okay, this will be coming 30 present value. Okay, present value will be 30. This is F2 will come here. This is for first part. Second part, again F equals to 15,000 upon 0.09, 1 plus 0.09 to the power 15 minus 1. Okay, and how much year this deposition will come back? How much year this will come back? This will be coming back 30 years. 1 by I 30. So now see, your both will write 30, but you have to apply extra formula this, because now you have to forward that amount 30 years front, but the answer will come same. Okay, this is P, sorry. Okay, this is P. So your answer will come same, that is 1,30,000. Okay, 1,30,000. See this. Okay, as a homework you can solve like this. Okay, as a homework you can solve like this. Okay, now just this is, you can take it P1, you take it P2. So P equals to P1 plus P2. It will come 1,30,000. Okay. So everyone got this? This is a great question. Okay, this is a great question. Yes, we are calculating from the base year, that is time t equals to 0. Okay, present value means we are calculating it from the base value. From base value 15 years, and from that base value again for 15 years. So total will be 30 years. समझ में आया आदित्य? Okay. Why F2? Because you are saying, some students are saying that what we have done this value after to 15 years. So you can move forward now. You can go up to 30 years for this calculation also. This is first method. I have solved directly. I have taken this back. Okay, but some are saying that what we will do after 15 years, this amount. So you can go forward for 15 years. Okay, you can go forward. Then you have to come back 30 years back. Okay, so this is 15 and this is 15. So total will be 30 now. Okay. Everyone got this or not? See, in the second method, this is the formula. Here I will be getting future amount after 15 years. For next 15 year, you will get that lump sum amount. Okay, next 15 year, you will get a lump sum amount, something X. Something X you are getting. Okay, something X, or you can say the with the in place of X, this is nothing but F1 you are getting here. Okay, this will be some F1 will come. So yeah, don't write here, you write F1. Okay, X. In place of X, you can write F1. So F2 equals to F1 1 plus I to the power 15. You are going again 15 years forward. Okay, then for present value, where I want 30 years back. Okay, 30 years back. So this is present value. For P2, it is simple. You have started the deposited in the bank after 15 years. Okay, but how much year you have to come back? 30 years. Okay, so the total roll number 220106. We are calculating 50K for 15 years. But how much year we have to come back for the present worth? 30 years, na? I have told here this you have started in 2035. Suppose today is 2020. This this investment you have started in 2035. Okay, up to 2050. So how much year you have to come back for today? 30 years back. Okay, now everyone got this point? Yes or no? Please write. Everyone got this point? Yes or no? Right, please. Okay, now it is clear. Everyone right. Okay, mobile users also right. This is very important question. Okay, now I think everyone is comfortable. Now everyone is comfortable with the term annuity, with the term annuity, compound interest, simple interest, future value, present worth. Everyone is comfortable with all these terminologies? Yes or no? Okay, now everyone is writing yes. So we will move forward. Okay. So if F annuity of due, okay, if annuity of due formula will be, what will be the formula? Okay, or you can say break. Why break? Only after 1.5 year. Sorry, 1.5 hour. So F of D equals to F of ordinary into 1 plus I. This is the formula. One interest you will get extra. Okay, so you can write this F of D equals to what is D? Ordinary is ordinary and D up to due. Okay. Okay, class. Don't worry, I will take class up to 8:30 only. Okay. I know it's hectic for so many students, but what we can do, I have to complete the syllabus also. Okay, because once my subject will be completed, you will do the another subject. Okay. Okay. 5 minutes break everyone wants. Okay. So it's 5 minutes break. Okay. So those who have okay, I will be, so many students are writing 5 minutes break. It's okay. Okay. So those who have doubt can ask, or anything they want to ask, they can ask. Okay. Technical, non-technical, anything about you. So it's a 5 minute break. For the completion of this subject, I will requiring 20 to 22 hours. Okay. Okay. Satish, what you are saying? FD is due. Okay. Date I don't know. Okay. Hope that I will not take any holiday. Okay. I'm not sure. If some work will come, then I will take any holiday. Okay. Third year PSU recruitment. This is the most you can say question, but nobody knows. Okay. Samito, we have done now. The FD due means this. Where are you? You have this. We have done earlier. This is due. See here, Samito. This is due. We have derived. Okay. In which we do the deposit at the starting of the year. That is due. Okay. I don't know when they will clarify that how they will recruit for the third year for the PSU. Okay. Okay, Samito, what you are writing, I read that line. Oh no, no, no. I have written by mistake that wrong spelling. Okay. Okay. Initially, I have written wrong spelling. Sorry for that. For aptitude means I suggest that means if you see previous year questions, they are not so difficult. Okay, means some common sense will give you. Means don't wait unnecessary so much time. Okay, what I want to say, so much time on that aptitude. Okay, so if you are preparing for placement interviews, that's enough. Okay. Samvitva means see D is due DUE. Okay, spelling I doesn't know actually. Okay, that is foreign word. Just remember D word. Okay, and this is ordinary. Okay, and by default we use ordinary. Okay, spelling also I know. Industry. Yeah, you can get. Sir, are you working also in industry? No, I'm not working in industry. Okay, I only teach. So yes, I means I left the industry because there is so many things in the industry, and I love to teach actually. Okay, means every faculty, obviously, most of the faculty have chosen their way for teaching. Okay, because it gives us satisfaction that we teach and students get benefited from them. Okay, because we have seen that means I have I have also seen means what in college, most of the college means out of 10 faculty, I am not saying that all faculties are bad in the colleges. If 10 faculties are there, there are some 2 to 3 faculties which are very good, which take efforts. Okay. Okay. Yeah, everyone wants money and PSU and all that. Okay, it's okay. Everyone job satisfaction is the also the thing. Okay, so I enjoy in teaching. Okay, I know that if I go to PSUs, I can earn more, but it's okay. Okay, so everyone is, see, ultimately, what matters is the job satisfaction. Okay, uh, basically, obviously, this also depends upon the how financial situation of your family also. Okay, okay, so I belong to the middle class family, so that's why I have taken somewhat risk. Okay, that is the thing. Okay, okay, sir, working in teaching, do you think happens creativity? It depends on individual. Okay, it depends on individual that how means teachers works on the student. You can't say that every faculty is working very good, but some faculties are really there. Okay, means which are inspired. Okay, they are very good faculties, means how they are teaching. Means teaching is like improving yourself also. Okay, if some students are there, means now this is online class, so now you can't judge me or you can't judge any faculty. But in offline class, if you see if a good faculty is there, if you have attended the 2 lectures, you will see that every time that faculty will be growing up. Okay. Okay. 211457. Yes. Apprenticeship in PSU means basically you get internship. Okay, for some time, and they pay you for that. Some 20,000 or 25, depending on various PSUs. That is apprenticeship. Okay. So there is no confirmation that they will recruit you. Okay. Okay. I think 211901. Okay. I'm not from South India. Okay. I am from Maharashtra. Okay, now we will start class. Now I think this is enough break time. Mail me, okay, 220106. You mail me, okay. I can't tell here. See, I always told that please solve first previous year questions, okay, then go to the new questions, please. Like, means you will see that you will be benefited if you have solved seriously the previous year question. Okay, don't go for new questions unnecessary. Okay, okay. Don't go for new questions unnecessary. First solve previous year questions, and now I think I will say that if your subjects are still pending, so please first focus on previous year, and that previous year should be from 1990, okay, to 2020. So please focus on that. Okay, okay, we will solve. Means we will start with the topic. Now the new topic is CC. What is this? Capitalized cost. What is this? Capitalized cost. Okay. So what does this actual mean? This capitalized cost is basically means suppose any big industry is going to start. Okay. Suppose any big industry is going to start. So when that big industry is going to start, what will happen? What will happen? That you need a lot of amount of you need a lot of amount of equipments. Okay, you need a lot of amount of equipments in the industry. Okay, so suppose that in the value has 50,000. Okay, that equipment has a value of 50,000, 60,000, whatever. So being a chemical engineer, you will know what is the service life of that equipment. Okay, approximately you have calculated, suppose it is 10 years. Okay, suppose you have means after 10 years you have to again purchase that, and suppose the scrap value or salvage value whatever it is, 5,000 rupees. Okay, so after 10 years again you will be needing that equipment, okay, for your company. Okay, so how much money you require at that time? 45,000. Assuming, I have just assumed that the cost of the equipment is not changed. Okay, that assumption I have taken. If changing, it's okay. Okay, we will take care of that all part also afterwards. Okay, first I will assuming two assumptions I have taken. Okay, that equipment cost is not changing, service life is 10 year, and the salvage value is 5,000. Okay, so you have a two option. That after 10 years you need a 45,000. So you have a two option that after 10 years you will think that how can you arrange that 45,000, or being a very big industry, suppose IOCL, HPCL, and that other companies are there, Reliance are there. So what they think, they have a very huge amount of money. Okay, so they will arrange money in such a way that they will deposit the money. Suppose they have some cash. Okay, they have some cash. Okay, they have some cash, suppose 1 lakh rupees, suppose. Okay, suppose means any 1 lakh rupees they have. So from that, 50,000 will be used for purchasing new equipment. You will purchase the new equipment. Okay, means the first time at time t equals to 0, and we will calculate that amount. Okay, that should be deposited in the bank, so that after 10 years, how much money I want? After 10 years, how much money I want? 45,000. After 10 years I want 45,000. Okay, means you have to deposit money, that money, so that the bank will give you interest. Okay, bank will give you interest on 45,000 rupees. 45,000 rupees is termed as a interest money. Okay, see here, I will explain once again. You have money, you have use 50,000 for purchasing new equipment, for purchasing new equipment. Okay, next, x amount. Okay, with this some conditions I have applied, that 5,000 rupee will be scrap value. Okay, n equals to 10 years. Okay, rate of interest you take it any. Okay, any value you will take. Okay, means after 10 years how much money you want for purchasing a new equipment? Assumption, equipment cost is not changing. This is the assumption. Okay, equipment cost is not changing. Okay, means how much money you want after 10 years? Tell me, how much money you want after 10 years for purchasing the new equipment? How much money you want? 45,000. Okay, everyone is clear with this? 45,000 rupees you want for purchasing the new equipment. How? 50,000 we want, but scrap value is 5,000 rupees. So that is why it will be 50,000 minus 5,000. So that is 45,000 we want. So in capitalized cost, what we will think? We will thinking about the replacement cost, means how much money we will deposit in the bank. Okay, how much money we will deposit in the bank, so that we will get 45,000 rupees as a interest amount. Okay, 45,000 we will get as the interest amount. Principal amount is in the bank. Okay, principal amount is always in the bank. principal amount is in the bank. Okay, principal, okay, that principal amount is in the bank. Means after every 10 years we need 45,000 rupees for purchasing deposit such amount of money. Okay, such amount of money. Okay, so what will be the capitalized cost? I will give you time for snapshot base. Capitalized cost equal to suppose C1 plus C2. So what is C1? Initial, okay, you can set that initial cost of the equipment. Initial cost of the equipment. Okay, this is C1. What is C2? C2 is the cost of replacement. Cost of replacement, that is infinite. What is infinite here? Up to which your industry is working. Means after every 10 years you want that money. Okay, after every year you want that money. That is the thing we are getting. Okay, so everyone is now getting this. Means in future how much money you want? In future you want the money that is equals to, that is the cost of replacement. So capitalized cost equals to, the formula will be CC equals to, we say it CC, that is capitalized cost. Okay, C1, that is the initial cost, plus CR. What is CR? CR equals to, okay, CR equals to C1 minus CS. Okay, that is the scrap value you are deducting. That is scrap upon 1 plus I to the power n minus 1. So this is the formula for capitalized cost. Okay, this is the formula for the capitalized cost here. Okay, this is the formula for capitalized cost here. So everyone got this point. C1 is for the initial cost of the equipment. C2 is the, this is the value of C2. Okay, this is the value of C2, cost of replacement. Okay, that much amount of money I want it. Okay, that much amount of money I want it for my system. Okay, but here, okay, okay, but here we are getting amount. Okay, CS is scrap value. CS is scrap. Okay, CS is scrap value. Okay, and C1 is the initial cost of the equipment. C1 is the initial cost of the equipment. Okay, and CR is the replacement cost. CR is the replacement cost. Okay, CR is the replacement cost. Okay, so this is the thing. Okay, you solve one question, from that question you will be comfortable. Okay, the first just write all the points or take a snapshot. Okay, just wait. If those who have not understood, we will solve one question, from that you will be comfortable, that I guarantee. Okay, those who have understood, it's okay. Those who have not understood, wait, one question we will solve and you will be comfortable. Okay, again I will explain all the things. Okay, just write this formula, take a snapshot. Okay, so write question. A reactor, a reactor has been installed. A reactor has been installed at a cost of rupees 50,000 and is expected to have a working life of 10 years with a scrap value of rupees 10,000. Calculate CC, rate of interest per annum 5%. Okay, per annum. Okay, solve this. Okay, so everyone getting the answer? Solve it. If I is giving periodic way, then okay, then you have to convert them into the annual way. Okay, I will explain. Okay, don't worry, I will explain this question. Okay, see this. Solution is CC equals to 50,000 rupees. Okay, 50,000 rupees plus 50,000 minus 10,000 upon 1 plus 0.05 to the power 10 minus 1. What you are getting? 50,000 plus how much this is coming? This part, second part, I think it is 63. Yes, it is 63 approx I am taking. See the meaning. This total what we are getting 1,13,000. Okay, approx I am writing just. So see here. Okay, here it is 63,600. So here also 600 will come. Okay. See here. Here this 50,000 is used for purchase of the equipment for the first time. For the first time, 50,000 rupees is used for the purchase of the equipment. Okay. This 63,600 rupees is deposited where we are solving this question at time t equals to 0. Okay. This 63,600 is deposited in the bank. Deposited in the bank so that how much money I want after 10 years, so much, how much money I want after 10 years, how much money I want for purchasing of the equipment? 40,000 rupees. Okay, so that I want 40,000 rupees. Okay, so means on this amount 63,600, after every 10 year I will be getting the sum of 40k. I will be getting a sum of 40K. Okay, so 10,000 I will be getting from the scrap value. So 10 years I will purchase a new equipment. So if I draw a chart like this, initially I have invested 50,000 rupees for reactor, and this 63,600 rupees deposited in the bank deposited. Okay, बैंक में deposition कर दिया मैंने. After 10 years I will get 10,000 rupees from the scrap value. Okay, 40,000 rupees interest from the bank. Okay, and this 63,600 rupees still in the bank. They are still in the bank. Okay, means again after 10 years, same thing will happen. Okay, means after interval of every 10 years same thing will happen. Means you don't have to worry about the money for purchasing a new equipment, because you have deposited that 63,600 rupees in the bank at time t equals to 0. Okay, at time t equals to 0 you have deposited 63,600. Okay, and you are getting an interest of 40,000 rupees. 40,000 rupees interest you are getting after every 10 years. Okay, after every 10 years, but that 40,000 rupees you will get interest after every 10 years. Okay, means that 63,600 will be always in the bank. When you will shut down your plant, you will can get back your 63,000 rupees. Okay, means once your plant started, initially you need a huge amount of money, but after that you don't have to worry about the how you will purchase the equipment after every 10 years, because after every, in chemical industry you can see that most of the reactors get damaged after every 8 to 10 years. Okay, yes, capitalized cost is the amount that I need at time t equals to 0, present time. Okay, means when I'm starting my industry, how much money I need. Okay, C2, see, C2 is, see here, C2 is the how much amount here, 63,000. Infinite replacement, for infinite replacement how much money I have to deposit in the bank, that is C2. So I have written cost of replacement infinite. Okay, means infinite times I have to do the replacement, so that is C3, that is C2. Okay, in the bank I have deposited the money. And what is CR is the actual replacement cost, means how much money I want. So how much money I want, 40,000 rupees according to this data. Okay, 40,000 rupees. And how much, what is the value of C2, 63,000. So that is CR is replacement cost, means how much money I want. C2 is cost of replacement infinite, that I have deposited in the bank. Okay, deposit the money I will deposit it in the bank for the replacement, deposited in the bank. So it depends on you. You can purchase the new equipment also, or you can do the, or what you can do, you can use it for the maintenance of that also. Okay, you can use that money for the maintenance of that equipment also. Okay, because that 40,000, okay, that 40,000, see if C1 is okay, okay, C1 it will be 50,000. So suppose C1 changes. Okay, suppose C1 change, someone says that after it will be 60,000 rupees. So from cost index you can calculate that after 10 years what will be the value. Okay, what will be the value. So suppose it is, you are saying that it is 70,000. So here what you will do, you will do 70,000 minus 10,000. Okay, you can do like this. So for what that amount is it, and see, if you are starting an industry, we are not getting always the exact amount. Okay, it's okay, 5 to 10,000 rupees difference we are getting, it's okay. Okay, when we are dealing with a very big industries. Okay, so sometimes that amount can be used for maintenance also. We are saying that you can purchase a new equipment, you can get a maintenance also. Okay, that amount you can be, it can be utilized for the maintenance also. Okay, okay, so everyone got the point. Everyone got the point. Okay, so CC means C1 plus C2. This C1 is the initial cost of the equipment. Initial cost of the equipment. And this C2 is the money deposited in the bank. Money deposited in the bank for the replacement of the equipment. Okay, now money deposited in bank. Okay, so here you can see that. Okay, so from this section you will see that how much you are getting: 50,000 rupees for the new equipment and 63,600 deposited in the bank. And from interest, how much money you are getting? Interest, how much you are getting? 40,000 rupees. Okay, so that money you can use for the maintenance, you can use for the new reactor, but we generally call it as we will be using for the new reactor. Okay, because that 40,000 rupees you will be getting in the, okay, that 40,000 rupees you will be getting from the bank. Okay, that 40,000 rupees you will be getting from the bank itself. Okay, so this is the method which is known as capitalized cost. So suppose, which capitalized cost you will choose? CC, some equipment has two capitalized costs, CC1 and CC2. And if it is CC1 is greater than CC2, so which capitalized cost you will choose? Tell me. 50,000 rupees is the initial cost of the equipment. Yes, and 50,000 rupees is the for second equipment also. So we will choose, which we will choose? CC1 is greater than CC2. Which we will choose? Okay, we will be choosing CC2. Okay, because it is the least money we will be requiring at time t equals to 0. This is the money at we are requiring at the time t. Once suppose it is 1 lakh 13,000 is coming, and it is 1 lakh 12,000, so which is good? Obviously less money is good. So write this point. Choose the reactor. Choose the reactor where CC is least. Okay, choose the reactor where CC is least. Okay, choose the reactor where CC is least. Choose the reactor where CC is least. Okay, and one point also, if both the equipment, if both the equipment are economically equal. Okay, if both the equipment are economically, means CC1 equals to CC2. Here 1 means first reactor, and here 2 means second reactor, or you can say equipment. Okay, if both are same, then first reactor equals to second reactor. Okay, if both the equipment are economically same, okay, then CC1 equals to CC2, equal or same. Okay, so everyone got this point? Okay, everyone got this point? Yes or no? Last line. Okay, this is the last line. Okay, means choose that reactor where CC is less, and if both the equipment have same CC, okay, means they are economically same. Okay, what is meant by this economically same? Suppose you have purchased one China item, okay, or China object you have purchased, okay, and you have purchased one branded, okay, we have purchased branded object come. Suppose this is 10 rupees, okay, suppose this is 10 rupees, and this is rupees 100, okay, so the value of the service life of this equipment is 10 years, and the service life of this equipment is 1 year. Okay, so is it not the same thing? Here I will every year I will purchase 10 into 10, 100, okay, and here 100. Is it not the same? Everyone getting what is economically same means? Huh? Everyone getting on this point or not? What is economically same? Okay. Okay. Fine. Yeah. Some are saying that that compound interest will come. Okay. Yeah. That is the why for capitalized cost there are certain assumptions. One assumption, write that again. Okay. Cost of the equipment is not changing. Okay. If it is changed, if the next year it will be 11 rupees, obviously then it is different. Okay. The cost of equipment is not changing. These are the assumptions. Okay, you can write these assumptions for this. And second assumption, we are assuming simple interest in this formula. We are assuming simple interest in this formula. Okay, because if it is compound interest, obviously this is going to increase the cost, that because when we add money, always remember that, can you add 2 centimeter plus 2 meter? Can you add 2 centimeter plus 2 meter? No. Ritik, yes, you are writing. No, we can't add. Okay, we can't add 2 centimeter plus 2 meter. Means directly the means sorry to say the answer is 4. Okay, we can't say that it is 2 centimeter per meter equals to 4. Either we have to convert this into the meter, either meter into the centimeter. Same 10 rupees at 2020 plus 10 rupees at 2040. So the answer is not answer is not 20. Okay, they should be at the same time period. Okay, you can write this formula also. Money should be added, money should be added at the same time period. Okay, money should be added at the same time period. Okay, this is very important. 10 rupees as 2020 plus 10 rupees of 2040 is not equals to 20. Okay, what you can do, ये 10 रुपए को तुम फ्यूचर में लेके जाओ 40 के पास, या फिर इस 40 को 20 के पास प्रेजेंट वैल्यू में लाओ. ओके, you can go 2020 to 2040 by compound interest. Okay, or bring that 2000. So what will be the actual answer? Tell me fast. If I want to calculate this, present value of this system will be, present value of this 2020 plus 10 of 2040. Okay, so what will be value at time t equals to 0? What will be value? Tell me. It is not equals to 20, but it is equals to, what answer will come? Tell me. Do it fast. Okay, interest. Yeah, interest, take it 9% per annum. Interest, take it 9% per annum. Interest is 9%. So correct answer is 11.78. Okay, 11.78. So many students are writing 66. I think they have calculated at 2040. I am writing time t equals to 0. What is today? You are living in 2020 now. How you have calculated 66? I have told calculate the value of present value. So why are you calculating 66? So how you solve? So many students have done the mistake 10 plus 10 by 1 plus 0.09 to the power 20. That's it. You will be getting 11.78. Okay. Everyone got this? Yes or no? समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? हाँ नहीं कुछ तो बोलो. हाँ नहीं yes no. No sir. What is your doubt? What is your name? Chandana. We have used compound interest. Okay. We have used CI, compound interest. Okay. Okay. Take a snapshot. Yes, we use compound interest. Why -1 will come in the denominator? So many times, same question. We are solving so many times. Again, you are asking same question. See, here written present formula is in future. What is the value? See here. P equals to F upon 1 plus I to the power N. So what is future value? It is 10 upon 1 plus I 0.09. How much year we have to come back? 20 years. That's it. Why -1 will come? See the list of formulas properly, okay? Don't confuse yourself. Okay? Okay, so we will end up with the last question. We will solve one question, then we will end up. Write the question. A reactor need to be used with a corrosion resistance lining. One type of coating cost is 5 lakh and it will lost in 2 years. Another type will another type of coating, you can write another type of coating will lost in 3 years. Okay, if both the costs are economically equal, What is the cost of second coating? I equals to 0.18 yearly. Okay, calculate. This is 5 lakh. Okay. Solve this. So I think how many students? 64. Okay. How many students are from Pune branch? Or they are from third year or final year? Anyone from Pune branch? Okay, there are some students. Two only. Okay. Okay, okay. Double two double 088. What is your second line? See, I will read again once again. Question: a reactor need to be used with a corrosion resistance lining. One type of coating. Okay, sorry, it is coating. It is there. One type of coating cost is 5 lakh and it will last in 2 years. Another type of coating will last in 3 years. If both the costs are economically equal, what is the cost of second coating? Yes, correct answer. Roll number 21176. Those who have got the answer, hmm, it's good. So give answer in lakh. Okay. Yes, 6.94 lakh is the correct answer. I'm giving 2 minutes. Solve question. At least attempt. Everyone should attempt the question. Meantime, those who have solved the question, if they have any doubt, can ask. Some vitva, you can think on that. Those who have got the answer, if they have any doubt, can ask. Okay, anything related to gate or anything else. Yes, almost everyone is getting the correct answer. Very good. Yeah, Psycut. Good. Others solve fast. Last 1 minute. Okay, we will solve. So how we solve? What is given in the question? It is clearly mentioned that economics is same. It means CC1 equals to CC2. Okay, so the cost is 5 plus corrosion, means you can't use corrosion, means basically coating. Okay, because coating is destroyed everything. So every time you will be needing 5 lakh. So it is 5 plus 1 plus I to the power how many years? 2 years. 2 minus 1. So we want to calculate this x value upon x upon 1 plus I to the power how much year? Another 3 year minus 1. So only unknown in this equation is x. So x will come 6.94 lakh. This is the answer. Hope everyone have understood the meaning of equally, means capitalized cost are same. So what, how we solve it? Everyone got this point? Yes or no? एवरीवन अंडरस्टूड, समझ में आया सबको कैपिटलाइज्ड कॉस्ट क्या है? ओके, हाउ वी कैलकुलेट, what is the physical significance, and how you will use this industry. Okay, so basically what happens, if you go in the industry, suppose HPCL, IOCL, they will not manufacture the equipment. So okay, they will give the tender. You see in the, if you see in the newspaper, most of the time they will give the ad in the newspaper. Okay, they want a heat exchanger. Okay, so what mostly mostly in the system, they will tell that how much capitalized cost will be required. Okay, so the company who will give the least capitalized cost, we have to select the equipment from that. Okay, condition applied, the quality is same. Okay, Nachiket, how C1 and CR are same? Because the salvage value is 0. So if it is salvage value is 0, so the obviously both will be same na. If salvage value is 0, then both values will be same. Okay, because salvage value is 0 here, because you are doing a coating, that's why I told that. Okay, okay, salvage value is 0 because it is a coating. Means how can you use coating? Means what is the salvage value for coating? Means you have done a painting of your house, so after yeah, suppose 3 years you can't sell that coating na. Okay, okay, fine. Okay, so in this way, the company will give you tender. Okay, and the another company who deals with the manufacturing, those who will give the least capitalized cost, the IOCL will select that. Okay, because this big industries, IOCL, HPCL, they will be not manufacturing the heat exchangers, distillation columns, and all. They will be purchasing from any third party. Okay, that may be private or that may be government. Okay, so that is the thing. So where they will find profit, they will give. Okay, so that is the thing. So PSU means basically, because here PSU is means almost 50% it is government, okay, and 49% it is private sector, okay. So that is why you will see that the rules follow there will be different from the government organization. Bark is 100% government, okay. So Bark, you will see that that is a 100% government organization. Bark, NPCIL, these are 100% government. ONGC, HPCL, now the HPCL is under the ONGC, okay. ONGC has purchased the HPCL. DRDO, yes, DRDO, ISRO, they all are 100% government, okay. So in government, you have more respect, but salary will be less, okay. In government, you will have a more respect, but salary will be less. In DRDO, ISRO, BARC. In PSUs, you have a salary will be more, but respect will be less. So everyone has different criteria. Choose according to that. Okay. HPCL to buy its stock back. I don't know. HPCL in the stock back. I don't know about that news. Okay, so that's it for today. Anyone has doubt can ask. Okay, so we will see tomorrow. If anyone has doubt, can ask. Okay, fine. Yeah, it's okay. Means okay, I will see whether it is in that roll number 220088. Peter book is there for the PD, okay, but their language is so much difficult, okay. That is a foreign author book, okay. If you want to read, you can read Peter. I told it the subject will be almost 20 hours, okay. So before Diwali, the subject will complete, okay. So don't worry, you will enjoy Diwali. Where are you from, Saikat? Which state? West Bengal. Okay. Okay. Any other doubt to anyone can ask related to anything? How to prepare, how to solve. No doubt. Maths, you have to do practice, okay? Don't skip math subject. The weightage is 13 to 15 marks. Okay, it's very important. You have to do practice, whatever notes you are following. Or once you can do is the solve all previous year questions of all streams, okay? Because maths is for all streams. So you can solve from there, okay? Particular book for maths, I don't know, okay? Because different university follows different books, okay? So there is Agrawal book is also there, I hope. Okay, I don't remember name exactly. There are some books. It is one NCRT, some book is there. I just forgot. Okay, anyone another has doubt? Or I should end the session. Okay, thank you then. Good night. Okay, take care. So we will meet again tomorrow with the new topic. First, we will solve some question on capitalized cost, and then we will move forward to new topic. Okay. Thank you.